Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to pin this PC shortcut to the Windows 11 taskbar. Open File Explorer. Drag this PC to make this PC shortcut. Right-click New Shortcut. Right-click this PC, click Copy Address. Paste copy the address. Delete opening and closing quotes. Type explorer.exe space, shell. Delete this PC. Type Galan. Click Next, type this PC, click Finish. Right-click this PC shortcut, click Properties, click Change Icon. Copy folder path. Right-click newly created this PC shortcut, click Properties. Click Change Icon, paste copied path, press Enter key. Select this PC icon, click OK. Right-click this PC icon, click Show More Options, click Pin to Taskbar. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.